Texas is getting a grade F when it comes to tobacco prevention. That's according to a report by the American Lung Association. Melissa Wilson spoke to the organizers of that advocacy group. Take a look.
Yeah, so this year's State of Tobacco Control report gives Texas 5 failing grades on proven effective tobacco control laws and policies.
That I just can't even fathom what it means for our long-term health. What are your concerns about this?
Well, we're very concerned. Tobacco use remains the leading cause of preventable death and a significant driver of chronic diseases. Each year tobacco use results in 490,000 deaths in the United States, and we're still seeing significantly high numbers of youth tobacco use, which leads to long-term health outcomes.
Well, we know that we get millions of dollars from tobacco settlement funds, but how much of that actually goes toward prevention?
You're absolutely right. Texas receives $1.5 billion from tobacco-related revenue, but only spends $6 million on tobacco control programs. So that's a huge discrepancy and a huge lost opportunity.
So what do you feel like we can do as a community to fix this problem? The funds aren't there, so what do we do besides have conversations like this to raise awareness?
So the report identifies 5 key policies that we really would like lawmakers in Texas to focus more on. You mentioned funding for tobacco control programs. There's also the need for a statewide smoke-free workplace law. While Houston has one, there's no statewide law. We need to increase our tobacco taxes, including actually taxing e-cigarettes and newer nicotine products. And we need to provide more resources to help people quit using tobacco. It's an incredibly addictive drug, and people need help to quit. And lastly, we need to restrict the sale of flavored tobacco products. We know that those flavored tobacco products are incredibly appealing to youth and really are a key initiator.
And earlier you were talking about just overall with kids, all tobacco, every type of smoking is a problem, including vaping. So talk more about that and what parents can do to make sure that they talk to their kids about how dangerous this can be, because I still feel kids just sort of blow it off and don't think it's that big of a deal.
Yeah, vaping is incredibly dangerous. The aerosol inside those e-cigarettes contains a host of chemicals, known carcinogens, heavy metals. We encourage parents and communities to really treat this as an addiction issue. Tobacco companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars marketing these products. As you know, they're available on just about every corner. And so we need parents and communities to do more to educate kids, while also having the state hold those retailers who sell these products more accountable.
I'm Atiana San Miguel. Thank you for watching our story. If you'd like to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to watch us weekday mornings at 7 and 11 a.m. on KCWX. Bye. See you on the next one.